Figma plugins pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Figma is just a design tool. The surprising truth is, Figma plugins can automate repetitive design tasks, generate content, and integrate with other tools, boosting productivity for designers and teams. Figma's free plan allows unlimited cloud storage for files and basic plugins. Individual designers can use automation plugins like Content Reel for placeholder text or Iconography to quickly insert icons. These plugins save time, but are limited in scope for larger teams. A professional plan, a per editor per month, adds version history, team libraries, and shared components. With plugins, teams can automate design updates, standardize components, and maintain consistent branding across multiple projects. The organization plan, at per editor per month, includes advanced security, analytics, and centralized plugin management. Here, large teams can control which plugins are available, automate multi-step design workflows, and ensure consistency across enterprise-level projects. In conclusion, Figma plugin pricing is about scaling efficiency. For individuals, the free or professional plans provide essential automation. For organizations, the advanced plan offers centralized control, security, and high-level automation, helping teams save time and maintain design consistency.